Hi, I'm Ben Herden from Mortgage Choice in Gymea. I'm asked all the time, how can we use the equity we've built up in our home to help buy an investment property? If you've built up equity in your house over the past few years, now might be a great time to consider using that to help you into an investment property. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can do that, and along the way, take advantage of some really powerful tax benefits that come with it. So why investment property? Property is one of Australia's most popular wealth creation tools, and for good reason. It provides long-term capital growth, it provides a steady rental income, and it allows you to take advantage of some really powerful tax advantages, which we know as negative gearing. But the magic of it all is if you've got the equity in your house, you don't need a cash deposit to help you buy an investment property, much like you would have had when you bought your existing property. You might have this right now. So let's start with a simple question. What is equity? Basically, equity is the difference between the value of your house and the amount you owe on your home loan. For example, if your house was worth $1 million, but you owed 600,000 on your home loan, the equity would be 400,000. Now, the banks don't consider that all usable equity. As a rule, they will lend you 80% of the value of your house without mortgage insurance, but they will allow you to borrow up to 90% of the value of your house with mortgage insurance. So using that same scenario, if you were to look at 90% of the value of your $1 million house and you owed 600,000, you would have usable equity of $300,000. And that can help you purchase an investment property. Now, as the value of your home increases and your home loan continues to decrease over time, you're going to build up more equity. You will naturally build up more equity. And that can help you get into even more investment properties or into other investments if that is what you would prefer to do. Now, if you buy another investment property, that property as well over time is going to go up in value. And the equity you build up in that property can help you buy another one and another one. As long as you can afford the loans, the equity in the existing properties will be there to help you buy another one. So let's have a look at some of the key tax advantages. The tax system helps an investor make the most out of their investment property. First of all, we have negative gearing. Now, very basically, this is where the rental income is less than the running costs of the property. This shortfall or loss can be used to reduce your taxable income. Second, we have depreciation. So the wear and tear on the property and the structure itself is a tax deduction. It's what they call a non-cash tax deduction. So it doesn't cost you anything, but it is a real tax deduction. The newer the property, the bigger the depreciation is going to be. Third is the interest and fees on your loan. The interest is going to be tax deductible on an investment loan. So the larger your investment loan, the bigger your tax deduction is going to be. And four, we've got the rental property expenses. So you can claim day-to-day expenses on the property as well, like the management fees, repairs, things like that. And these all help towards reducing your taxable income. To make the most of these benefits, good record keeping is absolutely essential. For starters, you want your home loan separate to your investment loan. You want a clear distinction between personal borrowings and investment borrowings. You want to keep all your statements for the loan and for the rental income. And you also want to keep a very clean track of all your expenses. Now, this is where a good loan structure comes into place, and also surrounding yourself with good people, such as a good accountant. You want to maximize your tax advantages, of course, but you also want to stay on the right side of the ATO. If you've been sitting on home equity, wondering what's next, buying an investment property could be the smart move. We can help you unlock that equity, work out what your borrowing power is, and help you set up the most tax-effective loan structure possible for you. Please call the experts here at Mortgage Choice in Gymea on 02 9525 4544. We would love to help.